Hello friends, this is Jeffrey. I'm going to give a demonstration about this NL102 for the car and truck 2-in-1 diagnostic scanner. You can scan the heavy duty trucks. So there will be a man machine and also can support the update, and there will be 2 cables for the trucks. And you can, if you need to diagnostic for trucks, you can connect this one to here and use this one for trucks. So now I'm going to show how this connected to a car, and I'm going to show you this. Once connected, there will be a voltage. It will be checking your battery to see if it's good status, and once enter, you can see this colorful screen, and also set up, you can see the language. Also can check the DTC here, then the HHOBT. You see 3 particles supported. So this is the 9-pin and 16-pin. You can check here, you can see, can find the focal for all these parts. I can read the codes, transmission, or read the codes, and can go back to this for car diagnostic. So I'm connecting to a BMW 5 Series ECU, and you see the erase code. This is all the things it's about. So read code is like here, and erase code, and then it will be erased. I am witness and live data. So you select the graph data you can. So you can check here. You'll be in the graph coming with the time, and also you can select the item. So you see there's a little question mark for each item, like here, and you click on here. There will be tips about what this is. So this is very useful for DIY or personal use. So you can view the freeze frame, but this vehicle doesn't support. Auto sensor test and onboard monitor. This is only the ECU, so I cannot connect it. Also you can do a EVAP system, and vehicle information you can check. So this is the scanner for cars and for trucks. It is very useful, so hope you can like it. Thank you.